Hello everyone from Daiso Singapore. In this video, we will help you window shop and browse through storage solutions for your home. We're checking out the storage series here at our biggest store in IMM. Hopping right into the kitchen, these pull-out boxes will come in handy. You can keep rubber bands in this box and access them easily. And store Ziploc bags in this longer version. If you have a metal rack near your stove, you can use these magnetic mini racks to store your spices. Speaking of racks, keep your cabinets with shelves of food items more organized with these stock baskets. I find that these baskets with handles work well to grab what you need easily. Also, spot the eco-friendly tags. They're made with 90% recycled materials. This is a similar basket that comes with a handle and a lid. Though your shelf may not look as tidy, this stock basket with a lowered front lets you take items without having to pull out the whole basket. Lastly, for stock baskets, we have these name tag baskets to indicate what's inside. I think these are great for organizing even outside of the kitchen. Located near the food containers are organizers and trays for your fridge. There's color-coded container racks, a variety of stock container racks, and these acrylic organizer baskets with an open front to grab things easily and restock. Also, if you think you don't have enough space in your fridge, make use of the unused space with this attachable drawer. You know, sometimes when you do a major clearing out of your wardrobe, this range of foldable storage boxes comes in handy. You can always fold them back into a compact size when they are not needed. I'm also excited to share with you this closet storage organizer that received a lot of attention when we posted about it. Measuring 33.7 cm by 40.5 cm and 18.5 cm tall, it is foldable, it's stackable, and you can pull it out like a drawer. Next, we have storage boxes with lids that keep dust out. This one is perfect for keeping folded clothes and towels. Definitely consider these fabric storage boxes to store items at a height. It comes in various sizes and designs for you to choose from. For the rooms, take a look at these aesthetic storage baskets that will blend in with the look and feel of your room. If you love the feels of the 2000s and still keep CDs, look at this CD cube case I found. Textured slender baskets for the ladies to keep magazines or other items. These would look good and come in handy on the TV console shelves. For your desk, there are plenty of organizer trays to choose from to store stationery and more. Stackable trays to store paper documents. You can also combine the trays with these drawer boxes. Or even attach a mini drawer to your desk with this adhesive mini drawer. If If you don't fancy that, there are a few more attachments you can get to store your small stationeries. Personally, I find these drawer organizers helpful for my desk setups. I use them to place accessories, my mini notebooks, and sticky notes. These organizers can also double up as display cases for mini figurines. Speaking of displays, this well-loved trinket keychain holder case is finally back in stock. If you just came back from Japan with loads of gachapon trinkets, this is made for you. If you can't bear to use your badge, you can display it with this case for badges. Get creative with this coaster case display by making it a 3D paper art piece using the multiple slots at the bottom. There are many other display stands for your PCs, mini car models, and figurines. This display case also doubles up as an organizer for tapes. Choose from these organizer baskets and combine them to fit nicely in your drawer. These are good for organizing your makeup drawer especially. Similarly, this assembly storage box allows you to pick compartment boxes to place on the tray. I find this series really pretty and aesthetic. So you've pretty much seen almost all the small organizers we have. Did you notice that all of these don't have lids? I like to use these cases with lids to keep things hygienic, keeping cotton pads in it. Alternatively, you can use these to keep cotton buds and earrings. Look, they even have your usual storage boxes in a mini size. For crafters, you'll probably be familiar with these compartment cases. If you are getting into making jewelry or more, these will be helpful, along with these two boxes as well for crafts and other needs. Lastly, for laundry, other than these wire racks and baskets to keep soiled clothes or detergents, there are also plastic options. If you live in a dorm or tend to change in your room, these baskets are perfect. To store extra clothespins, we have these hanging baskets with hooks. That's most of our storage boxes and cases we carry. Again, this was shot at Daiso IMM. If you're intending to come shop for storage, be sure to look out for numbers 20 to 24 in the aisle, number 44, 56 and 57, and our storage display near 52. Do give us a like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and do drop a comment to let us know what you are interested in seeing next. Or if you need measurements, drop the timestamp below and we will reply to you.